Jacob Zuma, I take you to court. You know, like I used to react on this one for a long period of time. Jacob Zuma, like now, is so angry. You know, like he's so like every time Malema's this, every time Malema's this, every time Malema this, every time Malema this. So when he come to parliament, he once said it. When I come to parliament, I feel abused. He said, like, when I come here to parliament, every time I felt abused. I feel like I don't belong here. I feel all these kind of things because of EFF. They say like you must pay the money. You must pay the money. Jacob Zuma. Let's react and see.
Honorable Speaker, I don't know whether members want to play politics. Firstly,
like I don't know, like if members they want to play politics. I've been in politics industry. I've been doing this. Yeah, you come here and then I don't know if these people they know politics. Okay.
Firstly, every day say something about President Zuma in this country. Should I stand every day, take everybody to court? You say a lot of things about me. Should I do so?
Malema, though. You know, like the thing about Julius Malema. You know, like when every time Jacob Zuma, I feel sorry for you. I don't know, like I don't know, maybe it's the connection type of thing. And you see, like every time during that time when it becomes a presidency, everything was said about Jacob Zuma. Everything was said about Jacob Zuma. And he said, like, you, Julius Malema, you always saying things about my name. You always saying things about my name. Should I take you to court? This guy say, yeah, take me to court. You eat people's money, you eat the money of this people's country. Then you want to take me to court because you remember during that time of Jacob Zuma, there was a good task, there were those kind of things.
If I were
you
to
can
do
take
so,
me to court. You can,
Sakuluma. Say I'm talking when
he's answering
this is
you,
not your house.
Honorable Malema.
This is not your
Honorable
house.
Malema, it's not your turn.
Even the Madam Chair feels so for Jacob Zuma. You know, like it's like the Madam Chair is like, Malema, he's answering your question. He's answering your question, Malema. Malema, don't. And you see, like Jacob Zuma remain quiet. You know, sometimes like to talk and waste time, like is like, why should I do this? Why should I waste my time on Jacob Zuma? He does not listen. Why should I waste time on Jacob Zuma, who don't listen?
Malema. Point of order. Honorable Malema.
Look this guy. Look this guy here. It's like, yo, this guy is so disrespectful. It's like, yo, this guy. The moment someone like body language speak, body language give us information, body language tell us different story. This guy's like this. To say, who is this guy? It's like, oh my God.
Yeah, this is our house.
No, Honorable Malema,
you can take action against me. You can take action against me.
Then after that, you will be laughing. This is a after that you will be laughing. Let's see. But this thing's a long time, 7 years ago. 7 years ago, you're not here. This is like now Muslimai, but Muslimai does not have Muslimai does not have bribery in Sima.
The Honorable, the Leader of the Opposition.
Ngiyabonga Mongameli, and I want to highlight to ukuthi Mongameli, Section 91 and Section 92 of the Constitution implore you to account to this House, nowhere else.
What happened to this guy? This guy was Muslimai was the leader of DA. So like we'll never vote for DA because DA like it was known as a part of white, right? So they put him as a president because of his black. They said like you're going to be a president, you are going to attract a lot of black people to vote DA. Then I don't know what happened. You know, they're like, I don't know, but they say like there's a lot of stories, but let's move forward.
It also is effected to rule 111, which highlights the fact that, in fact, the president must appear 4 times in this House.
President must appear 4 times in the House. Yes, we are listening to you. And what is the problem based on that? The president does not appear 4 times in Parliament. You know, like I wish I was there in Parliament, addressing these people. Be there in Parliament. Say, yes, Muslimai, what is the problem?
Let's reflect on the year that has passed and argue the case to say, over and above the issues that you've raised, the president had failed, in fact, to appear in this House last year.
Why? Why he failed? Now, guys, I love EFF, sorry. I love this. I love it.
The Honorable.
I love EFF. This is a long time, man. This is a long time in Parliament. And then we are going to check the comment section for real African leaders. Just imagine only 4 people. Our money lady, money, bring back the money. This I'm going to enjoy it. This is all about bring back the money. This applicable unfair ruling by speaker. She makes me so mad. Zuma, the juju used by Zuma to stuck in this truth and his language to get and more. This is what we're going to get, but this one is going to be fun. I'm telling you. Let's give it.
Honorable Malema.
Thanks, Honorable Speaker and President. Mr. President, we are...
You can see like here Zuma, like not like lifing, but like when he gained, because of I remember people were starting to ask him, Julius Malema, why you lost weight? Yeah, Julius Malema, why you lost weight? You know, like no, I eat salad now. And now I eat salad. The reason I lose weight, I do some workouts, I do some you can search that video where you explain like why you lost weight, and you can tell he gained, and when he gained, the problem.
Asking this question precisely because you've not provided the answer. Because you firstly failed to meet the 14 days of the public protector. And secondly, when you responded, you are telling us of the Minister of Police who must still decide who must pay.
So I always tell people this. I always, with all the time I have, with all the heart I have, to say like, man, EFF is a party that is fighting for those who do corruption in higher positions. So like when we do something wrong in EFF and we are minister, we are something, you are going to pay for that. They're going to bring you, they're going to drag you, and we're going to see what will happen here. It's going to be a mess. It's going to be a mess. And Jacob Zuma has been listening to Julius Malema for long. Jacob Zuma has been taking the aggressive or the cobblers of Julius Malema. You understand? You've been taking those. So what will happen like here? We are going to watch this beautiful parliament.
And in our view, the report of the public protector supersede any other form of report which you might be expecting somewhere else. So the question we're asking today, and we are not going to leave here.
Look, Zuma is very focused. Zuma, very focused. Love that.
Before we get an answer, is when are you paying the money? Because the public protector is installed.
Who laugh like that? I don't know who laugh like that, but the thing of like the money and Kanza, it was a big. I don't know. You know this, or your first time watching this, or you've been watching this parliament, or your first time, you don't know what's happening, or just because you saw Zuma and Julius Malema say like, I will take you to court, and Malema say, take me to court, Jacob Zuma, take me to court. I'm waiting for you. But this thing it's been going along. We were like, Jacob Zuma, I don't know, they say he took the money, he built in Kandla. And then he was working with Guptas, that people call Guptas. Yeah, that's when all those things started to say like, yeah, man, you build these things, you done these things, you done these things. Can you please pay back the money? It's like, can you please respectfully, so you know what I'm saying? Like, can you please pay back the money? That's where problem starts.
Instructed you that you must pay the money.
Point of order, Chair.
And we want the date of
Speaker,
when I pay the
Speaker,
money.
point of order.
These days of point of order are the ones that you are hiding behind. Ne?
Yeah?
You are very good at that because every time reports are brought here, it's
Speaker,
point of order, point of order.
The
We
honorable
are here to
member,
ask questions and we need answers.
Yeah?
Please.
the honorable member was
My name is always angry. My name is always angry. Just imagine you are in the court. Every time you're going to court to make sure you get your money back. You are going to court every time to make sure they pay you. You get your salary, you get your compensation, and then you go to court every time. When you go to court, these people come with point of order. No, not like point of order to the extent of corruption. Not a corruption, but to the extent of like not wanting us to talk about this kind of topic. You get my point? To the point of what we were like, they don't want us to talk about this sensitive topic we need to discover. This topic that we need to look up to. It's like the point of order. Every time I try to speak, point of order. Every time I try to speak, point of order. Well, we want Jacob Zuma to take responsibility, to take accountability, it's point of order. These point of orders, they disturb in the progress. I feel like saying to you when you go to go to debate about your money, want your money back, and every time there's a point of order, 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 come on, point of order here, point of order. Every time you cannot move forward because of point of order. This is what we are seeing here.
is the point of order.
Thank
Point of
you,
order,
Speaker.
yes.
The issues raised by the honorable member there are going to be dealt with.
So this guy is the problem. I don't know him, but I respect him. But he always standing, always standing. This father here.
By the ad hoc committee appointed by this House, why must it preempt the work of that
Point of
committee?
order,
So it
Chairperson.
cannot be a new question. Thank you.
Speaker. A point of order.
Honorable members, this is an opportunity for the House to address questions to the President. I now give the President.
Why don't give Julius Malema? You know, and look, this guy is tired. Yeah, you see the guy at the back there. Look at the back. That guy is tired. So like, if I can see myself at the home, you can see how he's seated. People can see how they're seated. So like, this guy is tired. This guy want to leave Parliament. You know, like even like in the classroom or lecture room, you see a student sitting like this, man. Like this, the head is up. That student wants to leave. That student wants to leave. He's so tired, sitting like this. So tired, you can see how his move his head, like he don't want to be here. And you can see like how people are so focused, paying attention.
President, the opportunity to respond to the supplementary question of Honorable Malema.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Oh, Jacob Zuma. You, man, I first time you. I love Jacob Zuma, man.
As I said in my answering the question, I have responded to the reports about Nkandla. The reports about Nkandla is not only the public protector. SIU report, there was a report before.
This is what Nkandla I explain. Explain to Nkandla. Don't come here, don't know what we're talking about Nkandla. Don't come here and watch this video having no idea why Julius Malema was so aggressive, why Julius Malema is doing this thing to Jacob Zuma. The reason Julius Malema is behaving the way he's behaving, doing things he's doing, is because of the thing called Nkandla.
For the task committee, I've responded to all the reports as I am supposed to. And I hope we are not going to make a debate on this issue because I've responded appropriately.
You said, like, I hope we weren't going to have a problem here. We are not going to have the problem. I responded to Nkandla appropriately, respectfully so, and I hope like we're not going to have some. He talks like a president now, you know, like those kings. He talk like those kings, say like or like your father at home, or like your father at home. So like we are not going to have this conversation again. We are not even going to do this because of we spoke about this, we discussed this. I responded this respectfully. I responded this respectfully, appropriately. And I come to court, we need to move forward. It's Nkandla.
The issue, for an example, that honorable member is referring to is a matter that arises in the recommendations of the public protector. And I am saying people who
Honorable Speaker.
did the upgrades at Nkandla,
Honorable order. No.
they are the
Honorable
ones
members, please allow the president to
always
finish.
determine who pays when to pay. It is the government that decides. And the matter is referred to people who are legal.
You know, like I hate when people in parliament behave like kids. That's where problems start. That's where I come in and be like, no, you can't behave like this. You're in parliament. Let me remove these glasses. Just like you're in parliament and you cannot behave like this. It's not okay to people are watching you. That's where the problem I start to have with like people when President told me, let's give Mr. President chance to speak.
Authorized to make that determination. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Honorable Speaker.
Yes, Honorable Member.
Can I address you? According to the House rule, Honorable Speaker, and a member of the House, if it's still
According to the whole book, according to the rule book, and you can see that I need to pay attention. What is the
on
rule
the
book says?
podium, he is not supposed to be interrupted.
On a point of order. On a point of order.
Honorable Speaker.
Point of order.
Honorable members
On a
of the
point of order.
What's the point of
Ndozi. Ngozi. Now I feel attacked when they attack Jacob Zuma. You know, like you once connected with someone on TV, you never met someone on TV, but when they attack that person, you connected. You feel like it's like they are taking you. It's like they are taking you. I don't know Zuma. I never met Zuma. Right? I don't know. Those are like people when Zuma like they say like Zuma is going to be arrested. We saw lots of people standing and say Zuma is going nowhere. We saw a lot of people. So like Zuma is not going there, and then they were vandalizing. They were vandalizing. You understand? So like for me, it's a thing of like people love Zuma. People love Zuma no matter what, no matter how EFF can come so strong, no matter how EFF can do what they want to do, but people love Zuma. Wow.
Order, Honorable Shibambu.
Really, we have dealt with the issues of rules. We have got that book as well. We know those things. Can that lady please sit down and we'll continue the business of ours?
Honorable President, please.
I've answered.
Honorable
Speaker.
Olomisa is now supposed to come.
Point
to the
of
floor.
order.
Honorable Olomisa, please take.
Can we please be provided with answers, not hiding behind
Honorable
Parliament
member, that's not a
presidency?
point of order. Please take your seat. Take your seat. Honorable Olomisa.
Yo, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Yo, it's like you're in garage. Yeah, honorable, take your seat.
Honorable Shibambu, take your seat.
Yo.
Question.
Honorable Shibambu, take your seat. I have not recognized you.
And he has not answered the question.
Honorable Shibambu,
that is what
I will throw you out of the house. I will throw you out of the house if you don't listen.
And she's pointing, man. She's pointing like this. Why are you pointing, Madam Chair? Yeah. Pointing fingers, man. It's not good, man.
Honorable Olomisa, please.
Honorable Speaker.
Honorable Speaker.
No. Please.
I don't. This Madam Chair, he protects speakership. This madam, she protects speakers. I don't wanna lie. She protects speakers with all she have. She protects speakers. I don't want to lie. She protects them. You can see like he's entering the media. So like, I will not allow this. I will not allow this. I will not allow this. And you can see it. It's not like you cannot see it. She protects speakers.
Please take your seat, honorable member of the EFF.
But we are not answered.
Take your seat. I am presiding.
We want the money.
Where the president will take the money? Where the president is going to get the money? Where the president is going to get the money? Yes, you're not seated, you want the money, don't want to sit down, but where the president will get the money? Say like, hey, we want the money, we won't sit down. President must pay us.
Honorable,
take your seat.
To just pay back the money.
Honorable Olomisa,
Honorable,
go on.
Honorable Speaker,
Honorable member of the EFF, take your seat.
can I
Take
address
your
you on-
seat. I am not.
This guy speaks like this. I don't know if you've been aware. I don't like now it's the deputy president of EFF. I think the deputy president, right? If I'm not, you can comment there and say like, no, you're wrong. You're right.
Recognizing
Can
you.
we address you on this?
I am not recognizing you.
If you can only listen
I
and
am
then
not.
decide whether to
Honorable
sustain the
member,
matter or
I
not.
am presiding and I'm allowing honorable members to talk to the president.
Honorable
get
Speaker, the
supplementary.
So why you can see like she don't want EFF to talk to president because EFF they bring no peace. EFF they bring no peace. So like I want to give other speakers, but EFF they say like you want to give other speakers how, while us we president never answered us. So why you want to give to other people while the president never answered us?
It's about
Questions.
the money. When
Take your seat, honorable members.
Can you get
Take
the
your
answer there?
seat. Take your seat. I will have to ask the sergeant at arms to take out members who are not serious about this sitting.
On a
Honorables,
point
take
of
your
order,
seat.
I'm
Madam
asking
Speaker.
for to be recognized, Honorable.
Oh my God, Ndlozi. Oh my God, Ndlozi. Oh my God, Ndlozi. You know, like, I don't know, like, why you don't give.
Speaker, on a
Sergeant
point of
at
order.
arms, please assist me with relieving the members who are in this house who are not serious about this sitting to
Who are
take
serious,
their
Chair,
leave.
who are raising a point of order.
Why you kick people out? So, like, now they kick everyone. It's like, do I need to put my glasses? Yeah, good.
You're not
I
fair.
am
We
not
want
allowing
order.
I
That's
am
what we
not
want.
allowing
There's
you.
no member of public.
Honorable members,
We want the
leave
man
the house.
No, all we are
La, that's war starts now. Welcome to your war. That war starts now. Listen to this. Oh my God.
back the
Oh
money.
my God.
Why are we getting thrown out?
Joe, the song is starting. How do you know people they are going to do a song? Let me teach you one thing. How do you know how people are going to start the song? You know, I've been watching this guy with scarf, with blue scarf. I've been watching him. I've been watching this guy say like, pay back the money, pay back. Then EFF joined. That guy want to go home. That guy is tired. He wants to go home. I've been watching him. I've been watching him say like, pay back the money, pay back, beating the tables. Now it's happening.
Money, Nkandla money must be paid. You can't hide behind presidents.
Honorable members, I'm calling the security. I'm suspending the house for a few minutes for these
On a
honorable
point of
members
order,
to
Chair.
leave.
We want our money. We want
The
money.
house is
Pay
suspended
back
for
our
3
money.
minutes. Go.
We want our money. We want our money. We want our money.
Malema is doing like this. Say like, we want that money. Malema said like, we want the money, and he's doing like this. He's doing hands like this. Like, we want health. I think like that guy, he wanted this. this guy wanted this, I mean. This guy wanted this to happen so they can get a 3 minutes coffee, a 3 minutes break.
Date and time.
You won't remove us. We're not going anywhere.
Pay back the money. Pay back the money. Pay back.
Pay back the money. Pay back the money. Pay back the money. Pay back the money. Pay. It's very important. Like Jacob Zuma, where is he singing? And I want us to join Jacob Zuma during his singing. I want us to be the part of him. We sing together so we can continue with this beautiful. Zuma is a person who loves to sing. So let's share. Zuma is a person who loves to sing. No matter what, he enjoys singing. And Julius Malema, you are so disrespectful. So you are so disrespectful. Let's listen to this song.
I see the Honorable
Parliament yesterday. What happened?
Malema. Rehad, thank you very much, Speaker. Matter.
What's happening here? Why is speaking like this, though? What is happening? Why is speaking like this? I don't like the sound of it. It's not good at all.
The Honorable Malema.
It's not. Where is that one? Yeah, this one.
Believe it or not, I will draw the person you will marry.
You
One of my
never
friends
draw
asked
me.
for a refund. She thought
You will never draw me. What's happening? I just opened this and I see like people leaving Parliament, and the question is, what happening into Parliament of South Africa? Parliament.
Order, honorable members, order. Allow the honorable members to leave you to peace, and let's proceed with the question session.
You protecting the Guptas.
Appointed by the Guptas, all of you.
Honorable members, please go in.
Jacob Zuma always laugh, man. Jacob Zuma always laugh, and he said to the Parliament, so like, laughing is healthy. He encouraged people in Parliament to like, guys, please listen, laugh. You see, like that lady, Madam Chair. That Madam Chair, we've been watching all the video. We've been watching this video. Is only Madam Chair who protects. The only president who protects Jacob Zuma. He do all he can to protect Jacob Zuma from EFF. He protects Jacob Zuma with all he have.
In an orderly fashion, we would like to proceed with the question session.
Listen, I'm so tired, man. I'm so like, I want to see myself gone here. These people are making noise. I want to see myself gone here.
Deputy Speaker.
Yes, Honorable Member.
Other one, this is the moments in Parliament enjoy all. These are moments in Parliament where like EFF, you know, EFF is a main factor. I don't know what comes after EFF. What comes after EFF? Everything like is the main factor is the one that's stopping corruption, is the one that making havoc into Parliament. You can share your thoughts. I won't beat you. I love people.
Worried that this minister that we pay so much, Minister Maida Maida, she's sleeping in Parliament, and with that position, she's going to fall. And the minister would have fought. She's still sleeping.
Honorable Member.
She's still, I don't know what's happening.
That's not a point of order. Take your seat.
No. The minister is sleeping. You can't say that's not a point of order.
No, Josie,
are you condoning people sleeping now?
Josie,
we must come to sleep here in Parliament.
Honorable Self, proceed.
How? Like someone is sleeping. You guys say literally, someone is sleeping, say. Someone is sleeping and they tell you, Honorable Minister, we pay lots of money, he's sleeping, Parliamente. And you say like, this is not a point of order. So we say people must come to sleep in Parliament, just my principal in the classroom. Other kids are busy writing notes. Other kids sleeping there. When the child say like, like are they sleeping, say? And say like, it's not a problem. Lagado is not sleeping, it's not writing. Aye man, that's not a problem. Lagado is not feeling well. Why don't attend him or her? Same to the matter and those reasons. Say like, are we paying people to come and sleep? Are we paying people to come and sleep, or what are we doing in Parliament? Which is a beautiful question to ask, because people come in and sleep, and then when you're supposed to take responsibility, you don't take responsibility. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good at all.
We pay you, don't sleep here.
Hey,
what?
I will pay you, don't sleep here. Heban, and look how many chairs like that tuned to him. Look chair, man. Like look how you look at Honorable Close. He said like, hey, when Honorable, don't disrespect me.
Busy debating, you are sleeping.
He used his own language. Hey, do not fight man. Hey, he used language now. He used Vedek. So hey, do not fight man. King Kawaran close. I go do not fight man. Yeah? Do not fight man. King Kawaran man close.
Sleepies, do you think what sleepies
Take your seat. Hey, Honorable Member.
Order, Deputy Speaker. Order, Deputy.
Yo, it's like it's turning to a child. Hey, when I do not fight man. Hey, when I sit down means. Hey, when I do not fight means. Do not fight means sit down. And then when you say hey, when like it's like what? Hey, when man, that's not sound good, eh? It doesn't sound good. Hey, when I do not fight man. Hey, when do not fight man. Do not fight when man. King Kawanagare, whatever problem. King Kare is like, King Kawan means like, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? It seems like you're going to be a problem here.
To speak. Order.
What's your order?
You can't call an honorable member. Hey, no. This is not a case here.
Honorable
I love it.
Let's not be emotional, Chief.
Take your seat, honorable members. Honorable members, can you be in order, please?
This is not Gas. In Gas, you say those things. Gas is the townships where apartheid they put black people. So sad, eh? To talk about Gas, by yeah, Gas is a area or place where like black people will put there because of apartheid system. Apartheid system put black people there in Kasi. and says, "Hey, when I do la fast," and this is not parliamentary.
Let's allow the honorable member to speak. Honorable Minister, why are you rising?
No, I want to understand what this young boy is talking for.
Yeah?
No, Honorable Minister, that's not a point of order.
Respond to this young man.
No, take your seat, Honorable Minister. You can't.
Minister, you must sleep and we must keep quiet. No.
Honorable member.
Decency to admit when you are wrong. You are sleeping.
Honorable
You
Minister.
are sleeping on duty.
Honorable members.
You are sleeping on duty.
Order. Honorable those order.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi. You know, like, and you can't come to work and sleep. And this lady stand up, minister. Because stand up, say like, you are sleeping on duty. Because stand up, say like, point of order, chair. So say, okay, Ngozi, what is your point of order? Because say like, the person sleeping in parliament. The minister is sleeping. We pay her, but she's sleeping in parliament. Right? The problem starts now. The lady stand up, saying, you are so disrespectful. He said, Watella. No, tell means like, it's Soto, Stona, and in English means you are so disrespectful to those. You say like, so we must pay you for free. You must just come in and sleep. Same to your workplace, man. Especially in a corporate space, you will get fired. In a corporate space, when you come with sleepy mentality, they will replace you soon. They will replace you soon. When you come to parliament to sleep. So you must learn, guys. If you're watching the video, don't sleep at work, you'll get fired. Don't sleep at work, you'll get fired.
Honorable members, honorable self, please proceed.
I welcome the judgment.
I love this song.
Of the Constitutional Court unreservedly.
And what we are saying is that we welcome this judgment.
This lady loves Jacob Zuma. This lady loves Jacob Zuma. I don't lie. You will protect Jacob Zuma with all she has.
Because one, our constitutional democracy is resilient. That's why we are able, all of us, to listen to that judgment and to accept it and to welcome it and to say, now we have a better basis and a better understanding of what must happen, what must.
I'm speaking here. I don't recognize you.
Yeah, this is the lady. I love Jacob Zuma. I love this lady. And before we, let me see. Okay. 50. We are all, let me see. Good. It's that time. 50 were all standing. Genewa.
You are not, you are not a credible person to preside over this thing.
Malema, take a seat.
No,
I
but I want
recognize
to be told by you to sit down. You are not qualified to tell me.
Malema is personal now. This thing is a personal, disrespecting the chair. Chair is a person who is responsible for the parliament. If you're not behaving right, if you're doing wrong, he's going to kick you out. That is her duty. If parliament go bad, he's a faulty. It's her fault. It's a faulty English. So like now Malema say like you never qualify to tell me to sit down. And you can see like now this is not professional, this is unprofessional, this is too personal, this is too emotional. and it becomes dangerous in that way.
You are not a correct speaker.
Yeah.
Honorable Malema.
No, Baleka, listen to me.
You can't call someone by the name in parliament. You cannot say, Baleka, listen to me. This is unparliamentary. This is wrong. Malema, listen, Malema,
Baleka, listen to me. You are not a speaker here. You don't have a right to sit where you are sitting. You are sitting there illegally. You have violated the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa. You don't qualify to sit where you are. And
what she have done now? What she have done? Malema know these things. Like I said, Malema, when it comes to parliament, if like, oh, Malema, if you don't behave right, he's going to make sure you fit it. So like, you don't belong here. You don't belong here. You stay there illegally. I ask myself, how, Malem? How do you know these things? How do you know these things? So like, it doesn't belong there. Me, I'll be like, yo, I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. I have no idea.
Was you in protection of Zuma? We are discussing Zuma now. We cannot discuss Zuma with you presiding over this matter. You were there. You messed up this case. You want to continue messing it up. So the best thing, you must recuse yourself. We are not asking you to do anything. Let the deputy speaker sit there. And this chief whip of the end. You can hate Julius Malema. Let me remove this class. You can hate Julius Malema with all you have. But he's a man that follows who agree with me. Julius Malema is the man who follow the rules, who follow the procedures, who follow the policies. Based on this, I don't know what they have done. I don't know what information they got. I don't know what the researchers do to say like you don't qualify. Let the deputy to speak there. You know like that those people who do own research, and those kids will be like, this kid knows everything. Doesn't mean like they knows everything. They put themselves there to find out. You know, like when you put yourself there to find out, it's hard because finding out, it can be hard, it can be not be hard. You put yourself to be to find out, to say like, what will happen if I do this? What will happen if I don't do this? You put yourself to the find outing stage. This is how Malema put himself to the found out stage. He says it's parliament. Parliament is you. That's why you call the press conference.
Honorable Malema,
to clarify the constitutional court to clarify this matter. Honorable you call the press conference. We didn't call a press conference because you know that you are responsible. That's why you call the press conference to respond to constitutional court. Why must we be told we are parliament today? You are parliament. You must take full responsibility for this mess.
Even though like Malema is right, but based on the tone. You know, like those people who are right, but the tone, man, the tone is not nice. But it's like, you are right, we hear you, but the tone is not right. You can leave. The tone is not right. We hear you, we hear your point. Hey, I want to remove this thing. Hey. How can I remove it? Oh my God. So like you are right, we get your point, but your tone is not good, man. If you can fix your tone, we are going to listen to you. That is Julius Malema. So let's go and listen to Julius Malema. Like now, I think like now I'm going to tell him, say like, Julius Malema, like, let your voice, man, be down. Let the coolest, let that voice to be like, you know, let's make it calm, man. Let's make it complices, hacocosis. Yo, you don't know the English. I went to Europe to learn that English. Fix the tune, Malem.
So we're asking you peacefully to relieve yourself of that chair and allow the deputy chairperson.
Honorable Malema, you are out of order.
Everyone is entering, say, Gokombete. Gogo means grainy. Don't worry, guys. I'm here to take care of you, providing this information with translations, right? I'm speaking right, sir? Yes, I'm right. I'm going to provide this information with translation of English. You know, like I wish I can do some. Oh, guys.
We did not send you to the Constitutional Court to represent Parliament. We did not sit here and take a resolution that you must oppose that particular application in Parliament. If you asked us, if you had the decency to ask us of our opinion, we could have told you we are going to win, and therefore you must suga endleleni so that it can be Jacob get.
Sugar endleleni, get away from the road. Now, this is the case of, like I said, man, of Jacob Zuma. So, like, people who cares about South African citizen is EFF. You can see, like, the parliament was going to continue as usual. It's a business of the day. And you can see, like, now, it was standing up, right? It was standing up. So, like, we told you, maybe if you ask help from us, maybe if you ask advice from us, we won't be in this situation today. We won't be in this situation today, but you didn't ask any advice from us. You didn't ask any advice from us. Like now, I don't know. I don't know what's happened. I think the lady went to thing and
delinquent Zuma, so that he can pay back the money that he spent in Kandla. So you are illegitimate. There is no other way. It's a question of conscience. It's a question of the ruling. It's not a question as well of the rules that we have here. It's that you lack judgment. You're a constitutional illiterate.
Yo, Rosie. Do you think Rosie watch himself now? Yeah? Do you think that Rosie wake up and wash himself? To say like I used to attack people, telling them the truth. I used to tell people the truth.
Can't understand. Even at the press conference, you continued to embarrass everything that we represent in this house. Let somebody competent who has shown competence approach the speaker at the seat and you step down. You'll come back on other business that is not so important in relation to the removal of the president.
Malema sabu, zubunzima, malema sabu, zubunzima, malema sabu, zubunzima, malema sabu. This is Malema a long time ago. You can see like you can see like he gained weight. Julius Malema, and it will not end well. You see, like when you open like Julius Malema like this, it will never end well. It will never end well, Shim. It will never end well, Shim. Because we all know how Julius Malema is. We all know how Julius Malema is. It will never end well. Malema, so let's go.
You can't listen to us because we are an opposition. At least listen to Katrada.
Malema is so funny. He said you can't listen to us because we are opposite opposition. At least listen. It's like telling your mom to say you can't listen to us because of we are asking you. It's like oh my God, what's happening? What's happening? What just happened like now? It's like asking your, it's like asking, what is this? Asking your mom to like, you can't listen to us, mom, because of we are not your kids. Just imagine telling your mom that, like, you cannot listen to us because of you're not your kids. And it's like, it's just imagine. This is what the government is saying like now. So like, can't listen to us. At least like listen.
At least listen to Goldberg. At least listen to MK, real generals and not cooks.
Yeah?
Not cookers.
Yeah? Not cookers. This guy's creativity. He said things that you not be aware of. He said things that we are not aware of. Things that we say like that we are not aware of these things. And he said things that we are not aware of. Cookers.
Real generals who are saying to you, this is not what they fought for. I don't know if sitting here, Mr. Ramaphosa is going to vote against the constitution. He's the one who was leading the processes towards the adoption of this constitution. We want to see Mr. Ramaphosa, Mr. Praveen. We want to see Mr. Jonas, the darling of anti-corruption. If you are going to vote for this corruption against the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa.
Like I promised you guys, I did give a promise. I said we are going to sing now. Jacob Zuma, sing. If you don't know, you are going to learn. I'm going to teach you. It's like we are choosing it. If like it's your first time, you never been seen before, relax.
With that, comrade.
This video was all about Jacob Zuma. So like now, we are going to sing, and I'm going to teach you the song, and then you pause. You when I say do this, you do it. When I say do this, you do this. Let's go.
I now the 45th National Conference of the African National Congress officially open.
My brother, I want to open this side is because of I'm in a spirit of singing, not the spirit of talking, not the spirit of like now we are heavy like now. I want us to sing.
54, 54, 54.
Away to when you say Amandla, when you say Amandla, we say away to Amandla. When you say Amandla, we say away to Amandla. Good.
Away to
Amandla. When you say away to, you say Amandla. When you say away to Amandla, Amandla away to Amandla, Amandla way to Amandla, way to Amandla. Oh, listen, you're going to say, oh, indlela esihambayo, oh, indlela freedom day, washu Mandela, wadi. Solalangisa freedom
indlela esihambayo, oh, indlela
esihambayo. Very easy, guys. Very easy. I hope you all captured because of the video is about to be closed now. The video is about to be closed now. So we need the energy. This is the end. The end needs those things. The end needs cobblerses. The end needs these things. Go.
Oh, indlela indlela esihambayo, oh indlela esihambayo. Washu Mandela, kubalandeli bakhe, wathi sohlangana nge-freedom
day. Come on. If you sing this song all day alone, if you sing this song, you are a true African. If you sing this song, you want freedom. If you sing this song, you remember Jacob Zuma. If you sing this song, you are the one, you are the best. Let's give it the last try. Then, man, I close it. I close it.
Washu Mandela, kubalandeli bakhe, wathi sohlangana nge-freedom. Oh indlela esihambayo, oh indlela esihambayo, oh indlela esihambayo,
oh indlela esihambayo. Washu Mandela, Simandalela wadi, so ambange yo freedom day, oh indlela esihambayo, oh indlela esihambayo. Washu Mandela, wadi, sohlala nayo